Mido watches, a timeless legacy of Swiss craftsmanship. Since 1918, Mido has graced wrists with watches that harmonize classic aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. With collections like the Multifort and Commander, Mido exemplifies elegance and precision. Mido timepieces are in homage to the horological heritage of Switzerland, embodying meticulous engineering and timeless style, making them a cherished possession for watch enthusiasts worldwide. All the links to the watches you'll find in the description below. Number 9. Mido Rainflower M043.20716.13100. A masterpiece that seamlessly blends elegance and precision. This timepiece epitomizes Mido's dedication to creating watches that transcend mere timekeeping. The 34mm stainless steel case, adorned with a delicate white mother-of-pearl dial, radiates timeless sophistication. The dial features diamond hour markers, reflecting luxury and opulence. The blue hour and minute hands, accompanied by a date display at 6 o'clock, enhance its functionality. Powered by a precise Swiss quartz movement, it ensures accurate and reliable timekeeping. With water resistance up to 50 meters, the Mido Rainflower is more than just a watch. It's a symbol of grace and precision, perfect for those who appreciate both style and substance in their wristwear, adding a touch of elegance to every moment. Number 8. Mido Commander Big Date M021.62622.03100. An epitome of classic elegance and modern design. This timepiece embodies Mido's commitment to timeless sophistication. The 42mm stainless steel case, complemented by a brown leather strap, exudes a perfect blend of robustness and refinement. The stunning sunray black dial, adorned with silver-tone hands, indexes, and a prominent big date display at 6 o'clock, showcases meticulous attention to detail. Powered by a precise Swiss automatic movement, it promises accurate and reliable timekeeping. With water resistance up to 50 meters, the Mido Commander Big Date is more than just a watch. It's a symbol of grace and style, perfect for those who appreciate the fusion of classic aesthetics with modern functionality on their wrist, making a statement wherever they go. Number 7. Mido Automatic Watch Multifort Power Reserve Anthracite M038.42433.06100. An embodiment of mechanical excellence and style. This timepiece epitomizes Mido's dedication to crafting watches that balance form and function seamlessly. The 42mm stainless steel case, coupled with a sleek stainless steel bracelet, exudes a modern and versatile appeal. The captivating anthracite dial, adorned with bold numerals and indices, offers an aesthetic depth that catches the eye. The power reserve indicator at 9 o'clock adds a touch of practicality and sophistication. Powered by a precise Swiss automatic movement, it ensures accurate timekeeping and a remarkable power reserve function. With water resistance up to 50 meters, the Mido Multifort Power Reserve Anthracite is more than just a watch. It's a statement of mechanical mastery and refined style, perfect for those who seek both elegance and functionality in their wristwear. Number 6. Mido Multifort CHRONOMETER M038.43.111.09700. An epitome of precision and contemporary elegance. This timepiece embodies Mido's commitment to exceptional craftsmanship and accurate timekeeping. The 42mm stainless steel case, accompanied by a stylish brown leather strap, signifies durability and sophistication. The deep blue dial, adorned with luminescent hands and indices, offers excellent readability and a modern aesthetic. The chronometer certified movement at its heart ensures unparalleled precision and performance. With features like a date display and water resistance up to 100 meters, it caters to the modern urban lifestyle. The Mido Multifort CHRONOMETER is more than just a watch. It's a symbol of precision and style, making it the perfect wristwear for those who value both form and function in their timepieces. Number 5. Mido Commander Big Date M0216261,106,100 AnthraciteSteel 1 size. a timeless blend of classic aesthetics and modern functionality. This timepiece embodies Mido's dedication to crafting watches that stand the test of time. The 42mm stainless steel case, combined with an elegant anthracite dial and complemented by a steel bracelet, exudes a sleek and versatile design. The prominent big date display at 6 o'clock adds a contemporary touch to its classic appeal. The luminescent hands and indices ensure optimal readability in any lighting condition. Powered by a reliable Swiss quartz movement, it promises accurate timekeeping. With water resistance up to 50 meters, the Mido Commander Big Date is more than just a watch. It's a statement of enduring style and practicality, perfect for those who appreciate both tradition and modernity on their wrist, seamlessly blending into any occasion. Number 4. Mido Commander Blue Shade M8429.325.11, a tribute to timeless elegance and innovation. This timepiece embodies Mido's dedication to crafting watches that seamlessly blend style and function. The 37mm stainless steel case, paired with a sleek stainless steel bracelet, exudes a refined and versatile design. The captivating blue dial, adorned with silver tone hands and indices, offers a sophisticated and modern aesthetic. The day-date function at 3 o'clock adds practicality to its classic appeal. Powered by a precise Swiss automatic movement, it ensures accurate and reliable timekeeping. With water resistance up to 50 meters, the Mido Commander Blue Shade is more than just a watch. It's a symbol of grace and style, perfect for those who appreciate the fusion of classic aesthetics with modern functionality on their wrist, making a statement wherever they go. Number 3. Mido Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer, a tribute to exploration and precision. This timepiece embodies Mido's commitment to crafting watches that cater to adventurers and divers. The 44mm stainless steel case, paired with a sturdy stainless steel bracelet, exudes durability and a sporty aesthetic. The dynamic blue dial, adorned with luminescent hands and markers, ensures optimal readability even in challenging conditions. The Worldtimer function, a vital tool for globe-trotting explorers, adds a practical and cosmopolitan dimension to this timepiece. Powered by a precise Swiss automatic movement, it guarantees accurate timekeeping. With water resistance up to 200 meters and features like a date display and unidirectional rotating bezel, it's a reliable companion for underwater and above-water adventures. The Mido Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer is more than just a watch. It's an instrument for the modern global explorer, emphasizing both style and functionality on the wrist. Number 2. Mido Watchman Commander Gradient Automatic Mido Caliber 80 Base ETA C0 7.611 Watch, a perfect blend of classic design and modern technology. This timepiece encapsulates Mido's dedication to precision and aesthetics. The 37mm stainless steel case, paired with a stainless steel bracelet, exudes timeless elegance. The mesmerizing gradient dial transitions from deep black to a vibrant blue, catching the eye and offering a sense of sophistication. The silver tone hands and indices, coated with luminescent material, ensure optimal readability in any light. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80, based on ETA C0 7.611, it offers a remarkable 80-hour power reserve. With a date display at 3 o'clock and water resistance up to 50 meters, the Mido Commander Gradient Automatic is more than just a watch. It's a statement of precision and style, ideal for those who appreciate a timeless look with modern mechanical innovation on their wrist. Number 1. Mido Watchman Black Ocean Star 200 Automatic Mido Caliber 80, a remarkable fusion of style and performance. This timepiece exemplifies Mido's dedication to precision and durability. The 42.5mm stainless steel case, paired with a robust stainless steel bracelet, signifies both strength and sophistication. The striking black dial, adorned with luminescent hands and markers, offers optimal readability in any diving environment. Powered by the Mido Caliber 80, it boasts an impressive 80-hour power reserve, ensuring reliability for days. With a unidirectional rotating bezel, date display at 3 o'clock, and water resistance up to 200 meters, it's the perfect companion for divers and adventurers. The Mido Ocean Star 200 Automatic is more than just a watch. It's a symbol of resilience and modern design, a